Hi, this is Karen Smith at Chief's booth at DSE. I'm going to talk to you today about Chief's expanded line of outdoor display mounts. We've had tilt and swing arms that we launched last year. We now have an option for some Samsung OHF series displays for tilt and fixed. And the biggest expansion is our new line of ceiling-mounted outdoor solutions, which can also be used as bolt-down pedestal mounts. So we've engineered these to avoid a catastrophic failure. So specifically that the column would be the point that flexes if we go past the wind-loaded rating, instead of some sort of weldment bust that would bring the whole thing down. We have a series of solutions, so single and back-to-back, large, single, back-to-back, extra large, 2x1, single-sided, and 2x1 back-to-back. The system comes in 3 different pieces, the same way that all of our standard indoor mounts are, with the ceiling plate, a series of columns that you can choose from with built-in height adjustment, and then the mount itself, which allows for a more manageable lifting load for something that is a really heavy-duty solution. We've also integrated a wind deflector to start to protect the technology and the mounting points on the television. All the same outdoor rated finishings as the previous solutions, and we've rated this to a maximum moment of 2,000 foot-pounds. So after speaking with some structural engineers, we realized that a straight wind rating didn't give them the information that they needed to do the math for what they actually needed to do for their category of exposures, elevations, wind ratings for the area. So by providing this piece of information, they're actually able to do the math, and with that can say, all right, with this drop in this size display, I can hit 175 miles an hour if I need to. Or if you don't need that, you can do a different solution with a bigger display if it's only 90 miles an hour. So a lot of flexibility. We're really excited about this solution. Stop by if you're still at DSE, otherwise visit us online at milestone.com for more information.